In this video, I'm going to show you how to see the full credit card number on your Chase app. This is helpful if you don't have your physical card handy but need the number for online purchases or adding your card to a digital wallet. First, open the Chase app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Once you're in, there are a couple of ways to access your card information. The fastest method is to swipe over at the top of the screen and look for Statements and Documents. If you don't see it, you can also tap on your credit card account and then navigate to Statements and Documents manually. After you tap on Statements and Documents, go to the Statements tab at the top. If you have multiple accounts, select the credit card you want. This will take you to your Documents page. Click on your latest statement and it will load in the app. Once the statement loads, zoom in on the Account Summary section, typically found in a gray sidebar on the left. At the very top of this section, you'll see Account Number. This is your full 16-digit credit card number. Remember, this number is sensitive, so only view it on a secure device. Now you can use this number to make online purchases or add your Chase credit card to Apple Wallet or other digital wallets. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.